In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to diagnose GitHub Actions CI test failures. A red GitHub Actions run can leave you with a generic exit code message that does not reveal which test actually broke. So let's walk through how to pinpoint the real cause. First, let's open GitHub and the repository. Head over to github.com in your browser. Under Top Repositories in the left sidebar, click the repository you want to inspect. In this example, it is called CI Failure Diagnostics. Then, under the repository name, click Actions. Next, let's open the failed test job. In the Actions left sidebar, click the test workflow. In this walkthrough, it is called CI test. In the workflow runs list, click the failed run marked with the red X. Here it is titled Add CI Failure Demo Workflow. Under Jobs or in the visualization graph, click the failed job, which in this case is simply called Test. GitHub will automatically expand the failed run test step so its output is immediately visible on screen. Now, let's isolate the assertion failure. In the upper right corner of the log output, click the search logs box. Then type the error class shown by the test runner, such as assertion error. The search will highlight the matching line inside the expanded run test step, instead of making you scan every single setup and teardown line in the log. Now, let's diagnose the cause and figure out the required correction. In the highlighted failure block, confirm that the failed test is the one called adds 2 plus 2. Read the comparison carefully as actual value 4 versus expected value 5. Use the stack entry for calculator.test.cjs to identify the assertion source file and the exact line number. Treat the process completed with exit code 1 footer as the result of the failed test, not the root cause of the problem itself. From this, you can conclude that the assertion is wrong because it expects 5 when the actual computed value is 4. The required correction is to change the expected value in the test from 5 to 4. The failed job log now identifies the exact failing test, its source location, the actual and expected values, and the correction needed. The diagnosis is the mismatched assertion inside calculator.test.cjs, and not GitHub's generic exit code footer at the bottom of the log. Congratulations, you have successfully diagnosed a GitHub Actions CI test failure.